video. So it's really hot and humid outside, and me being a combination skin, I'm actually facing a lot of trouble these days. My skin is getting really oily and I'm not liking it at all. So I thought that I will go ahead and share with you guys what are my current favorites in context to face washes that I've been using recently. All of these face washes I've been actually switching from one product to the another, and they've worked really well for me. So I hope you guys liked it. This will also be beneficial for somebody who has sensitive skin or who has an extremely oily skin. So I've actually featured the products which will work for both oily skin, or rather for oily skin combination as well as sensitive skin. These products are not for dry skin at all, because they are meant to settle down your oiliness and remove the excess oil that you have, and I think dry skin needs a little bit of that. So dry skin, please do not use any of these products. If you want me to help you guys with any of the dry skin products, please let me know about that and comment in the comments box below. I will definitely research and probably get products which are best suited for dry skin, and I'll showcase that in my next video. So without wasting any further time, let's just get started. So the first product that I've been using was in my fab bag. I wasn't sure if I will be using that anyhow, but from the time I started using it, I've actually seen a significant difference in the level of oiliness that I had on my skin. This is by Nysaa. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. If you guys know how to pronounce it, do let me know about that. It's the tea tree face wash. It's a natural effective cleanser. The very first thing that I liked about it is the natural Ayurvedic sort of a smell that I get. So I'm not sure if all of you would like it, but I like it. And moreover, the moment you apply it, it gives you a nice cooling effect on your skin, which is very demanded in this kind of a weather. It's really hot and humid outside, and the best thing is that it has tea tree oil, which works really well, significantly well in calming down your acne and working with your oil glands. So it works really well in controlling the oil level and also fighting acne. So this is something that you guys can definitely go and buy if you're somebody who's more prone to acne. So please try this out. I think it's not available on Nykaa. I'll check that for you guys, and I'll mention that in the bottom bar. This is definitely available on FabBag's website. So if you're not new to fabbag.com, please go and visit that. They have a good amount or a good range of products, so you guys can buy this from there. And I got a smaller version of it, and I'm still using it, so I'm planning to buy this. Let's see how this gradually works on my skin, because there's always a saturation point. So let's just check how this works. I'm still not halfway done with this, but I'm using it, so I'm pretty positive with this one. Coming back to the next product is one of the products that I've already mentioned in my favorites video. So this is the face wash that I've been using from last 3 years, and I keep on switching back to this one because this particular baby works really well for me. I've already suggested this particular face wash to a lot of my friends who were troubled with acne and had a lot of oily skin. So this is the product that I'm talking about. It is the acne oil-free acne face wash, which is by Neutrogena. It's beautiful, guys. You just need a small drop of it on your palm or probably on your cleanser, whatever you use, and it works really well. It comes with salicylic acid, which is best known to fight acne and remove oiliness from your face. This bottle lasts more than 1.5 months for me at least, and this works really well. So if you're looking for a cost-effective yet a super effective face wash for oily skin, please go for this. I think this retails for somewhere around 400 rupees, but I think spending 400 rupees for more than 1.5 months, it's beautiful. It's wonderful, and it definitely helps with acne. So I loved it throughout. If you're somebody who trusts my judgment and you're somebody who's facing acne, please try this out. It's wonderful. Coming back to the next product, I have not been a fan of this particular brand, though I've liked their lipsticks and their nail paints, but I never thought I'll probably go and buy a skincare range from this particular brand. But it's a good cleanser, a decent cleanser if you're somebody who's only troubled with oiliness. That's it. I won't say it works with acne, no, not at all. But yes, if you're somebody who likes a face wash that actually keeps the oiliness at bay and has a cooling effect, please go for this. It is by Avon Natural. It is by it's a purifying cleanser with perilla leaf for fresh and clean skin. The good part about this is the color. I really like it. It's black in color. I'll probably show it to you. I'm not sure. It's really dirty, so please bear with me for that. That's how it looks. So that's the color of this particular face wash, and it lathers really well. So the moment you just need this amount of the product and lather it, and you can massage it onto your skin for a minute or two and then wash it off. It gives you a nice cooling effect. It rips off the oil, the excess oil that you have on your face. So it's really decent. But yes, it does not work for acne. So if you're somebody who's only looking for, getting your oiliness in control, please go for that. Try this out. I will be mentioning the price of all of these products in the bottom bar. So if you're somebody who wants to buy this, you would probably know. In regards to the Avon, if you know somebody who's a dealer with Avon, you guys can check that out with them as well. So probably they'll guide you on this as this product. So next that I'll be featuring is one of the brands that I somehow don't like. I have used their soap, which is Multani Mitti, and it's really good. If you're somebody who has a dead skin all across, please use it. Start using it and you will see a significant difference. If you guys want me to review that particular soap anytime, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to go ahead and get it done for you guys. It's one of the most favorite soaps that I've been recently using, so I can review it for you guys. Coming back to the face wash, I have actually started using this Patanjali Carbon face wash. It's with neem, nimbu and aloe vera, as it says. So it again is it says it's with activated carbon plus vitamin E and vitamin A. This is a very good face wash, a very good face wash. It actually leaves your skin squeaky clean, gives you a cooling effect, so you feel that nice cool effect once you splash water on your face, and you feel really good and calm and relaxed. It's really good. I mean, in comparison to other products that I've used in the market, the pricier ones, I think this one works really well. I mean, except the ones that I've mentioned. This is something to really go ahead and spend on. It's not at all expensive. It's a 60-gram tube. I'm not sure if I have the price here listed. Let me just quickly check. So I'll definitely put down the price in the bottom bar so you guys can check that out. But yes, not being a fan of Patanjali at all, but still liking this particular product is a boom. So definitely try this out. It is definitely worth trying. So please try this out if you guys like Patanjali, and if you don't, still it's not too pricey to be tried, so please try this out. It's actually a decent face wash you can try. As I'm actually moving towards the natural side, I thought that featuring a DIY or a pure face wash would be a good option. So I don't use this every day, but the kind of weather we have, I've actually started using this every alternate day. And this is, as you guys can see, I'm almost done with this particular bottle, or rather tub. This is besan, which is also known as chickpea flour or gram flour, and I've mixed a little bit of haldi, which is turmeric, in this. What I actually do it, whenever I try to, whenever I wash my face, I take a little bit of water or gulab jal, whichever is in the easy access, and I mix it with this, and then I just go and massage it on my face and on my neck. And then after massaging it, decently for a minute or two, or probably for 5 minutes, I go ahead and wash it off by leaving, but you need to make sure that after washing it, you need to leave it for a minute or two so that it dries, and then probably you can wash it off. This is really good. It would not only enhance your complexion, it will take care of the suntan. It will also make your skin smooth and soft. It will also take care of the oiliness. So if you're somebody who does not want to spend a lot of money on all the cosmetics, because all the face washes, they do have something or the other which is not very natural, you guys can definitely go and try this out. It works really well. So these were the face wash that I've been using and switching from time and again, and personally I've used them and I found that they're really effective. If you are somebody who's on the oilier side, or you have a combination skin, or even sensitive skin for that matter, can go ahead and try this out. So if you have any other face wash that you know of which has worked really well for you, please go ahead and put that down in the comments box. If you have any suggestions, any feedbacks, any specific requests, let me know about that as well. If you've not liked my channel and not subscribed to it, please go ahead and do that, or else you would not know when I upload my video next. Please share this video as much as you can so that others can also get benefit from this. Till then, stay happy, stay beautiful, stay glamorous.